This is our automatic sprayer system to clean the solar panel on the rooftop locations as well as the ground levels. These systems are designed and installed by Go Green Irrigation based in Chennai. This imported USA-make sprayers will distribute the water uniformly to ensure the better cleaning. This automatic system helps to clean the solar panels anytime during the day or night at our convenience. With this we can avoid the risks of physical injuries to the manpower or damages to the solar panels while climbing over the rooftop. This system will help in cleaning the solar panels with minimal water, power and labor compared to manual cleaning through the hose pipes. This efficient cleaning system will also increase the power generation.